Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Pixel mobile phone, Google Pixel phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So firstly, you have to search for the setting. If you don't find the setting, friends, what you need to do is that here you can see search your phone and more. Just click on your search bar and search for this setting. If you don't find this setting option, okay, so here is the my setting. So just click on the setting. When you move on the setting, here you have to search for the wallpaper and style. So friends, if you want to change your wallpaper, what you need to do is that here you can see the wallpaper and style option. So friends, here you have to click on the wallpaper and style option. Okay friends, when you have finished, you click on the wallpaper and style option. After that, here you can see the option of the menu options. Okay, here is the wallpaper colors, here is the basic colors, here is the change wallpaper. So friends, you can change the color also, and you can change the theme also, icon theme, app grid. You can change the wallpaper by just clicking on here on the down this change wallpaper option. Okay, so friends, here you can see many wallpapers. So from here you can change your wallpaper, and if you want to set from your gallery the wallpaper photo, your own photo as home screen wallpaper or the lock screen wallpaper, this is the my photos. Just click on the my photos, then you are able to see the your photos, okay, by just clicking on my photos option. Okay, so just click on my photos and here will be your gallery. Okay, so friends, if you want to change the online wallpapers, from here you can change the online wallpaper. Suppose I'm going to click on this option. After that, from here you can see in this topic many wallpapers. Okay, this is all are the buildings. Okay, so I just click on the back because this has been written cityscapes. Okay, so like this is the landscapes, this is the textures, this is the art, Google Arts, community lands. Okay, so which one you prefer, you can set from your living universe. So I just prefer on the live, so I click on the live. After that, from here I select this wallpaper, okay, this bicycle. Okay, then after that, here you can see the choose option, home screen or the lock screen. So friends, here obviously which one you want to set, you can select from here. Okay, so if you want to set home screen or the lock screen, you can set. So I want to set only home screen. Okay, so I select the home screen, and here's the tick option. You just click on the tick option, and here it says home screen, lock screen, or for the board, I just again on the home screen. So you can select the options like this. Okay, and here my wallpaper has been set up successfully. You can also set like this. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.